Hello, we Ayush Patnaik, Ajay Shah, Anshul Tayal, and Susan Thomas have written a paper on the Beats Nighttime Lights dataset. This dataset has emerged as a useful proxy for economic activity. Prosperous places are brighter than poorer ones, so there is a correlation between prosperity and nighttime lights. We find that in the monthly nighttime lights data that NOAA releases, there is a downwards bias in cloudy months. In the paper, we propose a bias correction scheme to address this problem. We use this scheme to produce a new nighttime lights dataset which improves upon the conventional cleaning process that other researchers perform. As part of reproducible research, we released the code to generate the conventional and the new dataset for Bombay City in India. The code also generates some of the plots of the paper. In this video, we walk through the process of using the reproducible research files. We begin by downloading the zip file which contains the reproducible research files. So you can wget the link. This link is in the description. Once this is done, you can unzip it. There is a README file and then there are three directories: data, SRC and results. The SRC folder contains the code that will generate the conventionally cleaned and the new datasets and the plots of the paper. The outputs will be stored in the results folder, which is currently empty. The data folder contains three files. We look at raw radiance datacube bombay.jld first. This contains the monthly averages of raw nighttime lights data for each pixel in Bombay. The average is computed on the days of the month which are believed to be free of clouds. The number of cloud-free observations used to compute the average are in the cfops datacube_bombay.jld. These two files are HDF5, which contain 3D matrices of 156 rows, 85 columns and 72 months. The third file, other-time-series.csv, contains 4 monthly time series from 2014 to 2019, which are needed to generate the plots. First, it contains the World Bank's estimate of Bombay's radiance, which we use as benchmark of conventional cleaning. Second, the aggregate income of Bombay estimated using CMI CPHS, which is a measure of the ground truth. And third, the radiance and cloud-free observations of a pixel in Bombay that we have used as example in our paper. Now I will show you the README file. Now I will go into the folder and show you the README file. Okay. The file contains information about the paper. There is a link to the landing page where you can download the PDF file of the paper. It contains information about the citation in case you want to cite it. So as I said earlier, the full methodologies to produce conventionally cleaned and new datasets are implemented for the city of Bombay. Also, figure 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8 and 9 from the paper are reproduced. To generate the datasets, you go to the SRC folder and say make datasets. Okay. And after that, to generate the plots, you again go into the SRC folder and say make plots. The data files for conventionally cleaned and new nighttime lights are produced in the results folder as conventional datacube bombay.jld and new datacube bombay.jld respectively. The plots are also in the results folder. The mapping is here in the README file. To run the code, you need R and you need the following packages. I have also mentioned the version numbers on which the code has been tested. So now let me run the code and make the datasets. I say make datasets. Now the datasets are produced. And now I'll produce the plots by doing make plots. Okay, you can see them in the results folder. So the plots are the PNG files and the datasets are the JLD files. So this is all. Thank you for watching. Please read the paper if you're interested. It does a lot of foundational work on nighttime lights. Thank you.